Tired of a cluttered garage or messy enclosed trailer? Imagine having a simple, sturdy solution that keeps everything neat and easy to find. The Extreme Max Aluminum Shelving and Storage Rack offers just that, a smart way to organize your space while adding a sleek, durable touch. I installed this rack in my workshop, and it immediately changed how I manage my tools and supplies. The shelf fits aerosol cans and quart-sized liquid jugs perfectly, so everything stays upright and accessible. Plus, the sidewalls and hanging rail keep items secure, even when you're on the move. It's a relief to know nothing will shift or fall during travel. What really stands out is the heavy-duty aluminum construction. It's not just strong, it looks clean and polished, giving your garage or trailer a professional finish. The rack also includes a handy hanger bar, ideal for tie-down straps or even clothing, so you can keep those items off the floor and within reach. Installation was straightforward thanks to the pre-drilled mounting holes. Since mounting surfaces vary, the rack doesn't include hardware, but that flexibility means it can fit just about anywhere you need it. This versatility makes it a great addition whether you're organizing a home garage, workshop, or an enclosed trailer. If you're looking to upgrade your storage without complicated setups or bulky shelves, this rack is worth a look. It combines practical storage with a durable design that stands up to daily use. And with positive reviews praising its sturdy construction and usefulness, you can trust it will deliver what it promises. Ready to bring order to your space? The Extreme Max Aluminum Shelving and Storage Rack helps you store smarter, not harder. Try it when you're ready to see the difference a well-designed storage solution can make.